Clearly you see a strong market growth in the defense and security market. Marc van Heyningen, Chief Operating Officer at Damen Shipyards Group. We have a broad portfolio of vessels in the company. We service a wide variety of industries, both naval and yachting, but also workboats. And of course we have a large ship repair division. All of these markets help us, and the diversity of these markets add to our strength and our resilience in the business. Clearly you see a strong market growth in the defense and security market, but overall all of our markets are relatively strong at the moment. Of course, sustainability is one of our core strategies at the moment. We look at our in-house, the way we operate, the way we work, but also clearly in the way we design our vessels. A lot of activity there is in the fuel mix, different propulsion systems, depending on the operating profile of the vessel. And that's where there's a lot of focus, but also in the green solutions, the materials we use, and the way we operate our yards. So there's a lot of development and focus in the market to put sustainable solutions into the market. Clearly, the maritime industry and also the Damen Shipyards Group is very focused on innovation, new technology application, providing great opportunities for the next generation, young people to join the company. Through these new technologies, including the sustainability we talked about, but also digitization, we can stay at the forefront in the market and continuously attract and retain new talent that we need. First of all, a collaboration, bringing the whole ecosystem of the maritime industry together is great. Secondly, inspiration. Just to visit the SMM will give you an opportunity to see what everybody's working on, get inspired to develop new things. And last but not least, celebration, and to celebrate successes and celebrate that we're all together and in pursuit of new things.